Hey there everyone, all the techies and data enthusiasts there. So guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. It's been long time since we have come up with our Python videos, and those videos which I have released previously, in that the audio quality also was not that good, and it's been more than 2 years. So now I thought let's come up with an updated content. So this is video 1 of our Python series, in which we are going to discuss about the Python roadmap and the index which I am going to explain. This will be a continuation series where we will be starting Python from first again. It will be from basic to advanced level complete series. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the roadmap, and also I have written a book separately for you all, in which there is complete basic to advanced. All the topics are covered and they are simplified. So you all can even go through that book every day. Those book whatever we are going to teach will be updated there. You can finally download the book as well. So guys, this particular series will be very interesting, and here is a very important request from you all, that please do like, share and subscribe the channel and encourage me to create more videos like this, and make sure to share these videos with your friends, those who want to learn Python. This will help the community to grow, and even I can create more videos like this. So guys, now let's not waste our time. Let's dive into my computer. So guys, this is the book which I have mentioned to you all. You can see the screen here. So this book which I have separately written for you all, and finally you can download it as a PDF. Whatever I'll be writing the content every day, and whatever I'm going to teach in each video, there will be a link below. It's a doc format link where everything will be updated there. And you can see the indexes. So these all are the indexes. Like the first index will be understanding the programming concept and setting up the environment, variables, control flow, and what all other topics are there in this particular entire book. So I'll be covering them one by one. So to explain this, to simplify this and explain in a roadmap format, like what will be covered in this entire playlist, or if you want to learn as a entry level programmer who want to learn Python, if you want to learn Python from beginning, so how you are going to read it. So these all topics which you are seeing in index, it looks boring, right? So this I have simplified and converted it to a roadmap. So let us discuss that in a form of roadmap, where even you all will feel it very interested. So this is the Python roadmap. It's a latest roadmap. You can see first understanding the concept. So in understanding the concept section, we are going to discuss about what is programming actually, and introduction to Python programming, and Python's applications and its versatility. So where else can it be used, and which all fields it has been used, and what all are the applications you can perform with Python. In essence, you can create web applications, you can use it in data science, DevOps, many places. So those things we are going to explore, and I'm going to explain you all. After Python, understanding the concepts, the second topic will be, or the second section will be, where we are going to set up the environment, where we are going to install Python locally in our laptop, and we are going to use either a text editor or IDE, run your first Python programming language. So once that is done, we are going to run our first Python programming language. So these all are the topics which will be covered in setting up an environment. Okay. Once this is done, variables and data types. So in variables and data types, we are going to understand different variables in Python, and what all are the data types we have in Python. We are going to discuss about it, and you can see operations and methods of data types. And there is also a list data type, tuple data type, dictionary data type, and set data types. So all these data types we are going to cover one after another, and I'll make sure that all will be explained in theoretical also, as well as programming as well. So we will be doing practical coding implementation as well. You will be getting all those links. Don't worry, you can explore them, and once the series starts, you will feel it very interesting. Okay. So after this, we have control flow. So in control flow, we are going to discuss about the conditional statements, if statement, else statement, and elif statement, when to use and where to use, how can you write it in a production level code as well. We are going to discuss about it. Loops, for loops, while loops, and break and continue statement. These statements are very important for you when you are going to write a production level code. So we are going to discuss about all these topics as well of a control flow statements. So after this, you have Python data type comprehension, like list comprehensions, dictionary comprehensions, set comprehensions. So we are going to discuss one after another about all these comprehensions. They are a kind of advanced data types, you can say, in which we are going to write the for loop, while loop, all the code in a simplified format. So when we are going to write the code in this, you will get more detailed understanding. So once the comprehension is done, then we are going to dive into functions. So in functions, we are going to discuss about defining a function. How can you define your custom function? How can you write a def function? So in Python, there is a keyword called def, and using which we can write our own functions. We are going to discuss about it, and we are going to explore about parameters and arguments, return statements, scope of variable, lambda function, which is also called as a lazy function, where you can write the entire code in one line itself. So we are going to discuss about it. And map function and filter function. How can you filter out some products or some list of items in a particular list, you can say. We are going to discuss in detail about this all when we dive into those topics. So here we are going to just give an overview, you can say. I'm just giving you all an overview roadmap. So you will get this roadmap as well once this video is done. You can see this video link link will be in this video description. You can just go and check out there. If you're interested to move forward before I release the videos, you can see this roadmap and you can learn the things together. You can explore about them. Modules and packages. So importing a module, how can you import? There are different modules are there. How can you install them? How can you pip install them? Or you can even install it with Conda. How can you do it? Creating your own modules. How can you create your own custom modules? And exploring Python standby libraries. So we are going to discuss about this in detail. Default libraries, you can say, about pandas, numpy, all these libraries. And file handling, we are going to explore about reading file, writing, and there are many other file handling methods. You can say read, write, append, and A plus, R plus. There are many methods are there. So we are going to discuss about all these topics once we enter into the file handling videos. Oops concept. So once you complete file handling, you can ensure that you have completed Python from basic to medium level. So if you complete till file handling, you can say that you can become a data analyst. So data analyst should know until file handling. After data analyst, so whatever you're saying, oops and exception handling, all this, a data scientist, web developers, they should know. Even DevOps engineer, if they know till file handling, it's manageable for them as well. So if you know till file handling, you're good to go as a data analyst or DevOps engineer in Python. Only this, if you want to learn Python, that is enough for data analyst and DevOps engineers. But others, they should even know OOPS concept as well. So when it comes to OOPS, this you can say it's an advanced Python where you are going to discuss about introduction to OOPS. So there are different types of object-oriented programmings where you have classes and objects, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. We are going to discuss about all these elements in OOPS. They are actually a subsection of OOPS, you can say. Once this is done, you have exception handling, which is one of the very important topic. If you are going to write a production level code, definitely you should know logging and exception handling, without which you cannot completely write the code. If you write a production level code also without these particular logging and exception handling, you can say your code is not scalable. If there is any error, you cannot find out the error easily. So if you have logging, you can log the errors, and in exception handling, you can write your custom exceptions, where if the particular function is not running also, you can make sure that that only function will be stopped working, and you can get the error out there. You can raise the error there, and still the web application will not be down, or else you can say the production will not go down. It will be running until you solve that and you can deploy it again. So for that you require exception handling. So understanding exception handling, in which you get try, except, else, and finally blocks and raise exception as well. So once this is done, you finally have RE, which is regular expression. If you're a data scientist, you already know in NLP you have a module called import RE, regular expression module or library, using which you can analyze the regex pattern, you can say. So pattern matching, and for understanding the regex patterns, you need to understand about regular expression. So this is all about Python. You should know until here for Python if you want to complete the entire Python programming and if you want to be pro. Apart from this, if you want to go as a data scientist or even as a data analyst, you need to even know about two more libraries, which is Pandas and NumPy. About them, I already covered in my previous videos. So if you want to check out about Pandas and NumPy, those videos link will be in this video description. You can definitely go and check out. So those videos are going to be very interesting. Just go and have a look on it. So, and a quick update guys, this is video 1 of our Python series, and I'll make sure that in a week you will be having every alternative days one video. We'll try to complete Python series very soon, and I'll make sure that you all can also practice together and you can even complete along with me. This entire series will be very interesting. Share with your friends and do like, share and subscribe the channel. Meet you all in the next video. Bye bye.